The Anadarko Community Library will be celebrating October's Health Literacy Month by introducing the Anadarko Community Library StoryWalk in Randlett Park. The project was made possible when the library received a $4,000 health literacy grant from the Oklahoma Department of Libraries and the Institute of Museum and Library Services. StoryWalk was created by Ann Ferguson of Montpelier, Vermont. StoryWalk in the Park is a way for children and adults to enjoy reading and the outdoors at the same time. You place bright and engaging pages of a must-read picture book along the path, and people will stop and read as they walk. Not only does it encourage walkers to read, but encourage readers to walk. The City of Anadarko Park Department will be installing posts around the walking trail that curves through the park. The StoryWalk book will be changed out the first weekend of every month. The books featured in the StoryWalk are ones promoting healthy eating and exercise. The first installed book will be Through the Eyes of the Eagle by Georgia Perez. Following this book will be the remaining 3 books in the series, the Eagle books. This series focuses on healthy eating, exercise, and preventing obesity. We want to encourage children to exercise and to read, but we also want children to become more health literate at an earlier age. Perez's books teaches children about healthy eating through a wise eagle who assumes the role of a tribal elder in a time-honored Native American tradition, using storytelling to pass on tribal culture and teach life lessons. Health literacy, which is the ability to obtain, possess, and understand information necessary to make appropriate health decisions, has become a concern across the country. The Anadarko Community Library has decided to plan health literacy activities around the needs of children and families. The Anadarko Community Library's health literacy activities and promotions for children and families have both been made possible with a grant from the Institution of Museum and Library Services administered through the Oklahoma Department of Libraries. The Anadarko Community Library StoryWalk in Randlett Park partners include the City of Anadarko Park Department, Delaware Nation Department of Community Health, Delaware Nation Department of Family and Social Services, Institute of Museum and Library Services, Oklahoma Department of Libraries, CDC, Center for Disease Control and Prevention, and Caddo County Health Department. For more information about the StoryWalk in Randlett Park, please feel free to contact Julie Peterson at the Anadarko Community Library.